What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're out here at the old shop. There's ET right there. We're about to pull her in. This weekend we're going to the dunes. We're gonna race at Chase Avondale. We're gonna race our trucks up Sand Mountain, and I don't even know if we're gonna be able to make it up Sand Mountain in these 7,500 pound trucks, but if you don't know, Sand Mountain is a really big, really steep sand mountain, and it's a lot of people like to race up it and their four-wheelers and razors and whatnot, but we're gonna be taking our trucks up there. So there's an old truck out there. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got some old dune grapplers off that truck, and Dustin's gonna let me use them, and I'm gonna put them on here. So I'm gonna switch out the old tire or wheels and tires on here, because I think they'll do better than what's on there now. We're gonna switch out the tires on there. There's a couple more things I need to do to the truck to get it ready for tomorrow. We're leaving early tomorrow, and so yeah, we'll get her in the shop. These are the old dune grapplers we're gonna be putting on there. The old desert terrain dune grapplers. Don't know how much better they're gonna be, but I think they'll be a little bit better than the street tires that are on there. So let's get her in. All right, we got her pulled in here. We already got one of the wheels off there. About to put this one on, and I mean, it might look okay, huh? We'll see. Hey, she don't look too bad, huh? She's gonna be styling going up the old mountain. Anyways, we got these back on. I gotta torque them, but first I'm gonna lift the truck up in the air. I gotta mess with the transmission linkage a little bit to get my shifting right. So, all right, guys, I'm at my house now. Got the truck all loaded up, as you can see. We just got back from dinner. After I put the wheels on, I linked up the transmission, or tightened up the transmission cable a little bit, got it shifting real nice and everything. Now it's super late. I'm just doing a little bit of, I had like a whole bunch of crap in the truck from all the events I've been taking it to. So I had to unload a crap ton of stuff out of the truck. But anyways, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of things to get it ready. Not really much. I'm gonna pull my four-wheeler up on the trailer now, and all right, my garage is a mess, so don't mind that. The old truck's loaded up, the old four-wheeler's loaded up. It's getting really late now, so I'm gonna go to bed. We gotta wake up early so we can get there on time. And all right, I'll see you guys in the morning for real this time. All right, we're on our way. We got Season with us now, old Casey. Howdy. I'll put his link up somewhere so you can go check him out. But we're on our way to San Paulo now. It's about 7:42 a.m. now, so we're a little bit late. Running a little bit late. We forgot a couple of things, so we had to turn back around. But we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, we made it to the old Sand Mountain. We're unstrapping the truck. There's the old hill, Nemesis. Might not look that big on video, but that is a big hill. I'm starting to get nervous, but we're gonna send it. So let's see what happens here. We're waiting for some people to get here. There's quite a bit of people over there. There's a bunch of trailers and stuff like that. People riding up it. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing unhooked, get her down, and kind of see how she feels with those tires, and try to figure out some PSI we need to run. everybody. We got the truck off the trailer. We went and did a couple digs with her. Got the flag on her, the old industrial flag. I think everybody's lost because there's no service out here, so we can't get a hold of anybody. So I sent Hannah on the four-wheeler to go find everybody because I think they should be here by now, but we'll see. Are you driving this up, or where's your truck?
Right there, dude.
There she is. There's the old gin one.
Got the whole box. What the fuck is this?
Picked us up in the old dune buggy. Got my little dune buggy. Amazon $50. We got the whole squad here now. Squad is here now, Yim.
Yeah?
Dogs are playing.
There's Stetson.
Where's that? That's old Stetson.
What's going on, everyone? It's me, Diesel. Now my friend Gary. We're about to drive up the mountain now. Everybody's getting all ready to go. We're gonna go drive over there and kind of see how it looks, and then we're just not gonna ride it.
Someone left his nitrous bottle in his truck and it exploded in his truck.
have a shock tower so this tall, and then you make it to 0 tall, you got a problem.
Well, we made it about 25% of the way up.
Yeah.
Pull our shock tower out
He
of
did
it.
make it a little further to change. You can see his marks over there, and your marks over there.
As you can see, you probably saw in the video, but that's Chase's truck. I barely got my truck on the trailer. I thought it was good, but I blew out the shock tower in it, and take a look at this. Yeah, those U-joints are done. So we hit that big whoop, and it basically wrecked us. We hit those whoops, and it destroyed our truck. So that kind of sucks, but there was a ton of people that came out. It was really awesome. I don't know what we're gonna do now. We might go and, since we broke with the truck, we might go and take the old Suzuki Eiger up the mountain or something. I don't know. But here, I'll show you what happened in there. See there, that's where the shock collar, or the shock tower is not connected anymore. And I'm pretty sure we poked a hole in the turbo too, because there's a lot of exhaust right there. So I don't know, we'll have to fix it and get back to it, get back out here and try it again.
So what else do you...
Season, we got 2 broken trucks on the trailer. We both broke our U-joints. Jin wants to the rescue like always.
Brett broke his U-joint too.
No, Brett broke his U-joints.
I think it broke from when I went down to...
So we got broke, I already showed you mine. And now we got some more that are broke.
She's a sweetheart.
Broke.
I love you.
So, Chase, what do you think?
We will.
I think we got some work to do.
We got some work to do, but we will be back, huh?
Oh yeah, with better parts,
Yep.
not stock parts.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys seen the video, but me and Chase both hit the whoop so hard. Like, same spot. Like, even after I watched Chase, I went and hit the same bump he did, even right after I watched him. And so, we both broke our stuff. Ended up, didn't make it up, but we will be back. Since we can make it up in the truck, we're gonna still have some fun with the old Razor. So, let's see if we can make it up in the old Razor. Go do a donut, Yim. Go do a donut over there. Or go mud bog it. Go mud bog it. Oh yeah. Chee! Oh yeah. That was good. All right, dude. See ya.
See you guys.
Thanks for coming. I had a video in the cab, but I forgot my GoPro. Anyways, I was driving up, and my nitrous bottle was in the back. I forgot to take it out of the back seat. It was just sitting there in the back seat. We were going up, and when we hit the big, huge whoop, the nitrous bottle opened and started spraying all over in the cab. So I had to basically stop and open the door before I passed out because I couldn't breathe. So anyways, that happened, and then I thought everything was good back down the hill, and my shock, which I'll show you in a second, is completely detached now, and my U-joints are junk. But luckily we were able to drive her back on the trailer. So anyways, it was an awesome event. Thank you for all you guys for coming out here. Chase also broke his U-joints. We both hit the same whoop, and we probably should have went up the right side instead of the left side, but I don't know. And Chase's transmission might have an issue, I'm not sure. But anyways, let's see what happens next, see what